Okay, today we will be replacing the battery in a Mazda key fob. Okay, so here's the key fob. This is what it looks like. There's different types of Mazda key fobs. So if you have this style, this video is for you. If you look closely here, I want to draw your attention to this little push button here. You see that? You're going to need to use that to open this up. And the battery it takes is a CR2032. I find to push the little switch or the button, you got to slide it. With the screwdriver, makes it easy. This cover pops off. It's also where the key is hidden inside of, if you didn't know that.
Wow.
The little hole in the key corresponds to that little rubber pin there. That's how that goes in. In this other cover, there's a little black tab. You see that right there? So you got to kind of push that tab through the slot. And I found if I hold that little push button lever or switch on the top here, while I press on that little black tab with my screwdriver, the other back cover comes off easily. Like so. So that little button there on the side is the key to getting both the covers off. And I found just using the flathead screwdrivers makes it easy. And you can see how it moves little spring-loaded fingers or tabs inside there. And the battery is underneath this little round cover. Again, using a flathead screwdriver makes it easy to pop off the little cover. And again, this is a CR2032 for this key fob. You can buy these just about anywhere, Amazon, eBay, Walmart.com, etc. And you want to make sure the positive symbol is facing you when you put the new battery in. And there's a little slot that you can fit a flathead screwdriver in to pop out the battery. And these packages can be a little bit of a pain. It's got plastic on both sides that you have to cut with scissors. You can't just rip it. Okay, now that I cut the plastic with a pair of scissors, you can go ahead and pop out one of these batteries. And again, you want to make sure the negative side goes down into the key fob and the positive side is facing up towards you. Just slide it in, gently press it in place, and push that little round cover back on. It snaps down all the way, like so. And so again, I'll give you a close-up view of that tab that I'm talking about right there. See that? The other one does not have that. So the covers are different. So the covers only go on one way. So that tab goes through that hole, that little rectangular shaped hole or slot there. This pops back on. Then we'll reinstall the little key. And then pop the other cover back on. And this too only goes on one way. So on one side there's 2 tabs, on the other side there's 3 tabs. So you'll see it, just line it up. And you can see it's flush and it's all back together. I hope this helps you. And there we go, it's working again. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.